In this video, we'll show you how to remove all the viruses from your iPhone. So if you suspect that your iPhone is infected by malware, the first thing you need to do is open the settings app. Now here scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and then find Safari on the list. Once you see it, simply tap on it. Now in this menu, scroll all the way down once again and then tap on advanced. Now here you will need to tap on website data. Now here you should see all the website data that's stored on your iPhone. So simply tap on this remove all website data and then select remove now. If you have accidentally clicked on any website that contains malware, this will help fix the problem. Now the next thing you need to do is open the files app on your iPhone. So simply search for it and simply tap here. Now go to the downloads folder here. Now if you see any suspicious files that you don't remember downloading, simply remove it from here. It could be malware, so it's best to delete it from here. Now the next thing you need to do is open the settings app again. Now here tap on general. Now in this menu tap on software update. Now simply wait for it to load and then tap on automatic updates. Make sure you have selected automatic download so that your iPhone can download latest updates automatically. Also, if there are any pending updates, make sure to install them, as these updates also help with the removal of the viruses. If nothing else works, your last option is to simply reset your iPhone settings. So simply tap on reset all settings here. Don't worry, this won't delete all your data. Alternatively, you can also erase your iPhone completely, which will delete your data, but you should be able to restore it easily from the iCloud if you have iCloud backup. So these are the most effective ways to remove malware from your iPhone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.